here's the Hollywood studio station for the Disney Skyliner gondolas, but there is no Skyliner gondolas on it right now. And there was earlier, like yesterday.
Oh my gosh! They're going! Oh my gosh, they're going! They're going! They're going! Oh my gosh! That one is orange! Oh my gosh! It is orange!
But unfortunately not today. Like there has been for like the past month or so. Like they've just recently uncovered all the gondolas along this line, but they're not showing up right now, so dang it. A much more closer look at the station, again fitting with the aesthetic of Disney's Hollywood Studios, at least the entrance. And also I really like this like sort of new entrance area. It makes it feel a little bit more like California with like the benches, and this makes it feel more like I don't know, like the beach. I'm not sure which beach. Santa Monica? Is that what it feels like?
I don't know, I've never been.
Oh well.
I'd like to, but I have not been.
I have not been. Also, I guess they, oh wow, so they're gonna uncover a sign pretty soon. As you can see, in like it says Skyliner underneath all of that. And I don't know why someone wrote Italian job on it. Is that, yeah. You can see in small text it says Disney, and in big text it's Skyliner. I can't wait for that to be revealed. That is amazing. So a few days later, and now the gondolas are out. They are standing still. I'm not entirely sure if they were testing them earlier. I know that they were testing them just a couple days ago when we were passing by on the bus. But yeah, now they're all uncovered, and let's try to get a closer look. So looking on that one right there, that's the Guardians of the Galaxy. There's Groot. I believe I can see, is that Rocket? Yeah, that's Rocket. On the side there you can see like Star-Lord and Gamora. Sort of a, you know, more cartoony animated design, not the live action, but still it's pretty sweet. There are some of these that are just kind of the basic colors, like that yellow one is just kind of a basic color or a basic standard design. This one over here is a Coco one. You can see Hector on the right there. I said Hector. Hector or Hector. Yes. And there's also a standard sort of light blue or teal kind of design. All the way over there, you can kind of see Lumiere and Cogsworth off in the distance at that one. And I can't necessarily see any further than that. I believe, I'm not sure what that one is. It looks like Finding Nemo or Finding Dory, whichever they're going with. And there's so much others along this line, going all the way down to the Skyliner station right over here. Yeah, honestly, this is really exciting. I kind of wish these moved right now so I could show you guys, and so that way it's kind of also, I could also get like an up close look at how they, you know, how they move and everything. But currently they are just not moving, so oh well. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm holding the phone really high right now. Also, it's really hot, so I'm trying to block myself from the sun. But there you can see the gondolas inside the gondola station here at Hollywood Studios. I don't know if you can see any of them have been opened or not, but I'm currently trying to see. I think I see like a few that are kind of open there. I don't know if I could see a little bit closer inside. I don't know if you can, I don't think you can see that much in there. But yeah, that's the point where they open. Yeah, there's around there. And the sign has still yet to be revealed. They haven't taken the covering off just yet. But yeah, that's a closer look inside there. So outside of Hollywood Studios, and a bit later at night, there's a much more closer look, or a better look inside. The doors are open, but you still can barely see anything. But at least you know that this is, you know, how it looks at its current state, as well as all of these gondolas we're walking towards right now.
Uncovered.
All uncovered, actually. Well, all of these headed towards the Caribbean Beach Resort are uncovered, but the ones all the other ones are not. So all the other ones are still covered, but I don't know if they tested at all today. Maybe I missed it, but oh well. This still looks pretty awesome to look at. Looks pretty awesome to look at. Two words in the same sentence. Me. So there's a much more closer look at the Coco one. As you can see, it's the whole family on the bigger side, while on the more, I guess, slimmer side is where Miguel is. That's pretty awesome. Pretty neat. Over here is that Guardians of the Galaxy gondola. It's still there. I don't know if you can really see it that well. And just taking another closer look, up there is a Ratatouille gondola. That's awesome. And also a Beauty and the Beast gondola with Lumiere and Cogsworth right there. I'm not sure if there's I'm not sure if Belle and Beast are on there or anything, but that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's a look at the Skyliner gondolas as of right now. So hopefully this will open sooner than fall. I kind of want it to, but I know there's probably a ton of testing to do before this actually gets people going on it. But yeah, can't wait.